Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. And guys, we started a new $500 swing trading challenge over a week ago. So this is going to be the first update to see how much money I have made or how much money I have lost. Now, for those of you that are new to the channel, we've done this challenge a million times and you guys absolutely love it. What we do is we fund an account with $500 to prove to you, you don't need thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars to get started. All you need is a solid strategy. So we're going to be doing an update on this video and pretty much on this challenge. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, like, subscribe, do what you guys do. And very, very exciting news. You guys can now sign up for my amazing swing trading school where you guys can learn strategies, techniques, and pretty much how I find these stocks. Check it out down below. Code YouTube, all caps, to get 20% off. Only valid for this week. So guys, check it out. I'll see you in there. But guys, let's jump into this here. So over the past week, really what we did here is we traded one stock, especially starting out with a small account. Honestly, with a $500 account, I have to be dead money. I would rather trade a high quality stock, just one stock, rather than a bunch of sloppy stocks that could possibly make me a bunch more money. But the thing about swing trading and trading in general is it's hitting these base hits of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5% returns that compounded over the year. That's what make up pretty much swing trading. It's not about these returns of 300%. It's not about getting rich quick. I am very, very well aware of how long it takes to grow an account, and that's why I find it so much fun, is to find these high quality plays. So let's talk about how much money we have made. So pretty much as of right now, our total account balance is sitting at about $543. Our profit was about $48 with a return of 9%. 9% in a single week. Probably one of the best starts to this challenge we have ever seen. And the craziest thing about this is this was a stock that we've been talking about on our group chat for a while now. So let's just go ahead and jump into this here. So this was the trade on ticker symbol NXE. Now let's actually show you why I absolutely love this stock here. So looking at this chart here, what do you guys notice? You guys notice we have this really, really nice upward trend where the stock has pretty much gone from lows at about 350 all the way up to highs at 880. So this really, really nice upward trend. Another thing that I absolutely love here is this beautiful trend line. You guys can see that pretty much what makes up a trend line is a minimum of 3 taps on the line. And you guys can see that what we see with this trend line here is actually old support, right? You guys can see it hits it once and acting as new resistance. Boom, boom, boom. Then it breaks above it and now acts as new support. So basic technical analysis states that old resistance right here has a tendency of acting as new support, right? So it hits it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and then recently 5 times. So this was a very, very solid indicator of why and pretty much how we could see a bunch of great buying pressure from it. Now, you might be saying, well, Carter, this thing is up 9%. You're buying low, you're selling high. When are you selling it now? Actually, we have not sold our shares yet. We do pretty much have our full shares with the stock here. I think it's near and around 68, which is quite a lot here. Now, the reason why we have not sold our shares here, it's actually very, very simple, is because we're doing a trailing stop loss. So as the stock just moves up higher and higher and higher, we just keep moving our stop loss up and up and up. So let's actually go ahead and look at like the 1 hour chart so you guys can kind of see, or let's go to the 1 minute so you guys can kind of see what's been going on here. Let's go ahead and zoom out, and you guys can see that this thing has been on a non-stop roar the past hour here. Let's zoom in here. I should have had you guys look at the hourly chart instead. I apologize. So you guys can see the huge sell-off here. Boom, hits it, sells off below. One of the reasons why we hopped in here was actually really, really simple, is because as we look at the stock here, you guys can see we hopped in near and around 727, and this was right in here. So you guys can see it actually comes in contact with this moving average line on the minute chart. So we just hopped in and we set our stop loss below these moving average lines. So as the stock just continues to move up, we just keep moving our stop loss up and up and up and up. So if we do get a dip below it, we can just cut our losses. But this is a great way to catch these stocks that are moving up, 30%. On the flip side here, we set our total stop, when we first entered the trade, near and around the $7.07 mark. So we pretty much risked about 20 cents to possibly make about over a couple of bucks, right? We risked about $1 to make $3.78, which is an absolute fantastic risk and reward. So this was the strategy using basic trend lines, and another indicator that we used was the RSI, the relative strength index, which captures momentum. So you guys can see that it was trading for about a 36 on the RSI. The last time it was trading for a 36 was right in here where we had that great move. Previous to that was right in here where we had this great move. So this was just a bunch of great buying pressure and just a bunch of great indicators where we had a lot of future success. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask down below. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to check out my amazing school where you guys can learn to trade. Code YouTube, 20% off. I'll see you in there. Guys, have a fantastic rest of your day, and we'll see you guys next week when we do another update on this challenge. Take care, everyone.